Hello everyone and welcome back. In this section, we are going to understand discovery framework in Salesforce Omni Studio, and we are also going to understand why it is such a powerful capability for building intelligent and guided experiences. Traditionally, organizations built large Omni scripts containing hundreds of hard-coded questions. While this approach worked initially well, it became difficult to maintain the complete Omni script. Every time a business rule changed or a new questions needed to be added, developer had to modify the Omni script, perform the regression testing, and then deploy the changes to the target environment. That is where exactly discovery framework comes in. The discovery framework separate the questions from the application logic. Instead of hard coding every question inside Omni script, questions, actions, conditional logics, and recommendations are stored as metadata. This allows business users and administrators to manage questionnaire with minimal development effort. Discovery framework enables guided questioning, dynamic and conditional flows, capturing insights, and smart recommendations. For example, in an insurance application, instead of asking every customer the same 200 questions, the framework dynamically determines the next question based on the previous responses. If a customer owns a commercial vehicle, only commercial insurance questions are displayed. If not, the questions related to commercial vehicle will be automatically skipped. This makes the user experience faster, more personalized, and much easier to maintain. In the upcoming lectures, we will explore the complete architecture of Discovery Framework, understand its data model, configure questionnaire from scratch, and see how it integrates seamlessly with Omni Studio components such as Omni scripts, integration procedures, and data mappers. By the end of this module, you will be able to design highly dynamic, meta-driven discovery experiences without relying on large hard-coded questionnaires. So let's get started.